Lee TV 218 Trucking, and today is day 3 of orientation. I missed day 2 recording, 6 in the morning. Just went down there and ate breakfast. Day 2, I'm gonna speak about day 2. Day 2, we did a lot of reviewing, a lot of studying. Be ready to take a test on day 2. If you flunk that test, you're getting out of here. Yeah, if you flunk that test on day 2, you're getting out of here. I just want y'all to know that. So pay attention. Day 1, when y'all in the classroom, when y'all come back from the physical, make sure you're paying attention, ask a lot of questions, get everything down packed, because you're not gonna get a second chance. Day 2, we had homework. That was basically it around day 2, man. Day 2 orientation wasn't hard. It was really light and easy. We got out of there on time. Well, no, we didn't. We actually got out of there an hour late because it was like 6 people still testing, and I was one of them 6. I finished around 15 minutes to 20 minutes after the time we supposed to left, but I wasn't the only one. But it was so that made 7. So it was 6 people still testing from like 4:30 to like almost 5:30. But I ain't tripping. He didn't make us stay in the room and do all that. You could have left and went smoked and got you something to eat. So today I brought me some snacks. You know, I had to bring me some noodles. I got all them noodles over there. I had to bring me some noodles today. I'm a fat man. I went from 165 to 210 pounds. I just came back from Aruba, doing some low voltage technician work out there. Now I'm on the 18-wheeler doing flatbed. Man, what else happened yesterday? Day 2. Only thing else I can think about is dude came in there, somebody from the office, I forgot his name, stopped me out. I really don't care. But PNS Transportation came in there and was telling us what our checks would look like. Telling us we're definitely gonna be off every Saturday and Sunday if you drop your load off on Friday. But from watching other people and just talking around with other drivers, it's best to get a load for Friday, drop it off, then get another one going by your home and hold that one and drop that one off Monday or Sunday, try to come on early. But he was letting us know that most of the people that we gonna be hauling for, their business hours are like from 6 a.m. to like 5 p.m. So that's kind of putting like a cap on how much money you can make. I asked them about the weekend hauls. Nobody really has told me any information about the weekend haul so far. So hopefully we get in there today on day 3. Day 3, man, breakfast was actually decent. I don't eat pork, so they had chicken biscuits, French toast. I always got eggs and good juice, something to drink down there. So yeah, man, it's like 6 o'clock, 6:30. I'm finna go downstairs and get on this bus so I can get my ass to the terminal. Man, I can't miss that bus. I'm gonna get back with y'all when I come home, man. Well, when I come back to the hotel room, let y'all know how day 3 went for me.